Okay, I look a hot mess, but my paternity test is here. I'm tripping out. What the fuck? Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. I look a hot mess, but my paternity test is here. And I actually got it. It came to my front doorstep. I don't know how, when, because my Ring doorbell should have been working. But, I opened my door to go get groceries and it was sitting on my porch in like this envelope. And then I opened it. I was on the phone with my grandmother. I was on FaceTime with my grandmother, so I couldn't record it. But I opened it and I just dropped it once I realized what it was. So yeah, this is private and confidential. I haven't opened it yet. I started to and I was like, no, let me see what we're gonna do here first. So I'm a little nervous right now. Usually when stuff like happens or I'm supposed to be nervous or like super excited about, I'm kind of numb. So, but right now I'm feeling the nervousness. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling all of it. Okay, so I'm guessing. Okay, this is the return package. And these are the mouth swabs. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, should I do it now? I guess I should, huh? Let me get a second. Okay. Relationship. Can y'all see? I always wanted to do this. It says relationship DNA testing. I'm the child. Boom. Easy to use mouse. I am nervous, child. What the fuck? I don't get nervous like this. Hello. Woo. Okay. Warning, please read and fully understand the items listed below before opening this package, period. Okay. Number 1, you must use the brushes provided in this kit to collect the DNA sample. If you send back a sample which is not collected using the brushes provided in this kit, testing will not proceed. Okay, that's cool. You must use all brushes included in this kit. If you only send back only one brush sample, testing will not proceed. Okay. You must sign the consent form on the back of the specimen envelope. If you do not sign the consent form, your results report cannot be issued and extra administration charges will apply to issue a new consent form for you to sign. Okay, you must follow the instructions provided in this kit. If you do not follow the instructions provided in this kit, there may not be enough DNA to complete your test. Okay, cool. So use the brushes, use all the brushes, sign the consent form, and follow the instructions. That seems pretty easy. Elementary. My dear, it's elementary, my dear. I did not tell my dad that I got this already yet. Did not let him know. I'm just nervous. I just want to get it over with. Child donor information and consent form. Okay, reminders and tips. Okay, it's 2 little brushes or whatever. I thought it was gonna be like 5 the way they was acting. But talk to you must use all the brushes like it ain't just 2. Okay. I guess it's how you add you. Ooh. Buccal swab collection instructions. Kit contents are instructions, buccal swabs, specimen envelope / consent form. Performing the collection. The yellow one is used for the child. That's my favorite color, so I'm happy about that. Do not collect specimens immediately after brushing, eating, smoking, or breastfeeding. Wait at least 1 hour. I think it's been an hour since I ate. I think it's been an hour since I ate. It has been. All I had was a piece of bread. Gluten-free bread, of course. Complete the donor information and consent form on the back of the specimen. See how quiet I got? I was so nervous. Okay, so the first one. Okay, so what we gonna do is do the first step. Y'all, my dead flower. My flower's dead. That's that crusty sound you hear. Okay. Y'all, I'm nervous. Okay, it's my date of birth. What is my date of birth? Okay, and it's in the year first. My phone number. Okay. All right. So that was the first step. Fill everything out. Okay. 2, wash and dry hands thoroughly. So should I? My apartment a mess, but we gonna. Okay. So it said for step 2, wash and dry hands thoroughly. So do that. So I gotta pull this out. Can y'all see me? So I gotta pull this out. Let me pull y'all closer. Let me do that. Okay, y'all, so I gotta pull this out. They said peel this apart. Move, dang. And a water bottle. And this little ass spoon. Alright, y'all. So I gotta peel this apart. Oh, don't look at my dirty ass thing. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna wipe that down first. Okay, so I gotta peel this apart, but I can't touch it. So I have to swab my mouth for, I have to swab my mouth for 30 seconds. I'm not happy. This is not a Palmolive commercial. Yeah, I gotta swab my mouth for 30 seconds and then put it in the thing. So, hey Google, can you give me a 30-second timer?
All right, 30 seconds, and that's starting now.
Okay. Hey Google, stop. Okay, then I'm supposed to put it in the envelope. Last one. We done. Hey Google, give me a 30-second timer.
Okay, 30 seconds. Starting now.
Hey Google, stop. It don't look like nothing up there, y'all. But okay, I put him in there. Cool. It says immediately after collecting, I got this thing wet. After collecting the cheek buccal cells, place the swab directly into the envelope. Okay, we did that. Repeat for the swab, did that. Allow them to dry inside the envelope at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Hey Google, set an alarm for 30 minutes, please.
Done. Your alarm set for 8:01 p.m.
Okay, so after that, I can seal it up, and then if more than one individual is tested, collect buccal cells. First class package return. I'm gonna just take it to the post office tomorrow. Okay, so I'll wait 30 minutes to close it and then throw it in the bag to send it off. All right, y'all, the 30 minutes are up and I am going to seal this thing. Let me make sure I'm gonna read again. There we go. I just closed it. It is closed. It's sealed. I guess I'll just drop it in there. This is how this works. And then I just close it, I guess. I'm gonna close it later. I don't know how to close this thing now. Well, I'm gonna close it later. And yeah, we're just gonna send this bad boy off. I still haven't spoken to my dad. I kind of wanted to do this on my own. And I'm glad that I did. And I am gonna call him now.